Good day. You are welcome to QAD Mathematics Online class lesson code 04. This is complex number 2. Today we want to deal with addition and subtraction of complex number and also multiplication of complex number. 1. Let's define what complex numbers are. Complex number is a mixture of a whole number and an imaginary number. Use the symbol Z to denote a complex number. In a complex number, when we have z equals to 3 plus j5, the number 3 is the real part, while the other part, j5, is the imaginary part. And the real part is denoted RA in bracket z. That means real part of the equation that has to do with z. The number 5 is called the imaginary number, and that is denoted by IMZ. So when we have 3 plus j5, the real part of that is 3 and the imaginary part of that is 5. Note that when you are writing imaginary part of the number is 5, you write the real part of that imaginary number, not j5. So let's look at addition and subtraction of complex number. Addition and subtraction of complex number. This is quite easy, and we'll have something like bracket 4 plus j5 plus another bracket 3 minus j2. Yes, it's not possible for us to add the whole and the imaginary part together. It's not possible. But when we remove the bracket, we can easily collect like terms and then solve. Yes, let's look at this. First, we remove the bracket, we have 4 plus j5 plus 3 minus j2. So CLT, we collect like terms. Collecting like terms, we have 4 plus 3, those are the real parts. And then we have j5 minus j2, those are as j, they are the imaginary part. Adding that together, we add 4 plus 3, which is 7, j5 minus j2, which is j3, and that is 7 plus j3. Yes, that is quite easily done. And let's look at another question. We have 5 plus j7 plus 3 minus j4 minus 6 minus j3. The first thing we do is to remove the bracket, LCB, remove the bracket. While removing the bracket, we have 5 plus j7, we have 3 minus j4. Then since the third bracket we will open the bracket or expand the bracket using the minus outside. We have minus times plus 6, that's minus 6. Minus times minus will give us plus j3. So from there we collect like terms. Collecting like terms, we have the real part and the imaginary part. The real part, we have 5 plus 3 minus 6. 5 plus 3 minus 6 plus j7, j4, and then j3. I made a mistake. I used capital letter G instead of the small letter J I was using. Please pardon me for that. Then we add that together. 5 plus 3 minus 6, we have 2. And 7 minus 4 plus 3, we have our j6. So that was quite easily done. So with those two examples, please solve these two questions. If you are not getting it, then you can send a message to us on WhatsApp and we'll explain it to you. Now let's look at multiplication of converse number. We are multiplying converse numbers. It's just as if you are multiplying two brackets of algebra. So we have 3 plus j4. We're multiplying it by another bracket, 2 plus j5. You do it the same way you find the product of 3x plus 4y, 2x plus 5y. It's that simple. Look at the example here. We're multiplying this 4 minus j5, 3 plus j2 together. That means we multiply 4 by all the we multiply 3 plus j2 with 4 and then j5, which we did here. And we have 12 plus j8 minus j15 minus j squared 10. And since from what we discussed in the past, especially when we were doing QAD 03, we were told that j squared is equals to minus 1. So we put that knowledge here. So this j squared will become minus 1. Minus times 1 will give us plus. That's how we got 12 minus j7 plus 10 plus j8 minus j15 will give us minus j7. And then the j square has turned to minus 1. With the minus in front of it, we have an addition. So summing that together, our answer is 22 minus j7. Yes, is quite easy too. Please just follow the step. It's not hard. So when we are dealing with complex numbers, the result in general is also a complex number. But let's check this. Let's check this. I have 5 plus j8, 5 minus j8. Yes, note that in this equation, the only difference in the two brackets is the sign in the middle of it, plus and minus. Now let's see. By the time we open the bracket, multiplying the two brackets together, we have 25 equals to minus j40 plus j40 minus j squared 64. I'm sure you know how we get that. And since j squared is equal to minus 1, we have 25 plus 64, which is 89. Wow. Here we have only the real part, no imaginary part. Why is that? And remember, up here we said anytime we are dealing with complex numbers, the result in general is also a complex number. But just this example, we have a real number. What happened? Why that? Yes, the result is very real. This is because the pair of complex numbers given not give are called that we're given. They are called conjugate complex numbers. And the product of two conjugate complex numbers is always real. So why do we call them conjugate? Remember we said the only difference in the two box is the sign in between it, and that is why they are conjugate. We call this type of equation conjugate complex numbers. And that is why the result give us our real part, no imaginary part. So if you have any question, you know where to reach us. Try these two questions yourself and see if you get the answer. Yes, if you have any question, you can chat with us on WhatsApp, you can reach us on Facebook, on YouTube, and with our email. And you can also support our program by sending something, a token, to our Bitcoin wallet. And if you want to send to our bank account or any of that, you can easily send a message to us and we'll put it through. Yes, QED Mathematics Passion Tutor. Thank you very much. Bye. If you want a copy of this note, we can send it to you as well. Just request from our WhatsApp page.